Hi, my name is Pulkit Maheshwari, and this is a demo of the project that my project partner Amritaansh Verma and I developed for our subject Information Integration on the Web for the session of Fall 2013 at USC. This project, entitled Geotagging Ansel Adams Photographs, is a very interesting one. Our motivation behind this project was our observation that unlike today, in the older times, there was no way to digitally store information about when and where a photo was taken. This project aims to geotag those photos which do not have any explicit location information by identifying location entities from each photo's metadata. That is, we retrieve the location information for a photo from whatever data we have about that photo, such that it can be visualized on a map. We have also developed a timeline through which one can chronologically visualize Ansel's journey over the years through his photos. So who is Ansel Adams? Ansel Adams was considered to be one of the most famous American photographers, famous for capturing black and white landscape photographs of the American West, especially the Yosemite National Park. His photos have been widely acclaimed and acknowledged all over the world. Why did we choose Ansel Adams and this project? We chose Ansel Adams because he was one of the most famous photographers. He clicked thousands of photos which are scattered across the web in no definite format, no coherent structure. So we felt it was challenging to integrate as many photos as we could in one place in one coherent format. There was no definite location information available in the metadata for a photo under a tag like say location, which could tell us exactly where he took the photo. The data that we retrieved from the different sources was not clean, so that was challenging for us to clean the data. His photos are also not geotagged, so there is no way to visualize his journey across the globe through his photos. For this project, we gathered photos of Ansel Adams from three major sources: University of Arizona's Center for Creative Photography, Library of Congress, and the US National Archives. For extraction of data from these sources, we used Scrapy, which is a Python-based web framework to scrape data from the web. For cleaning the data, we used Google Refine. For record linkage, we used Frill and the disambiguation metric to resolve the differences between two same photos was the title of the photo, because we realized that similar photos in different sources had the same title. To extract the location entities from each photo's metadata, we used OpenCalais. We used the retrieved location entities from OpenCalais to geocode the data using Google Geocoding API and plotted that data on Google Maps. And finally, we used Timeline.js to develop the timeline. The front end has been developed in HTML CSS using the Bootstrap framework. So this is how the portal looks like. There are three sections. First is the photo of Ansel Adams himself. You can move your mouse over the photo and you can see a brief description of the photo. Then there are two major buttons, Map and Timeline. When you click on Map, it takes you to Google Maps. These red markers each indicate the location of the corresponding photo. As you can see, he took a lot of photos in the Americas and Europe. When, let's say, I click on a photo in Hawaii, when I click on the photo, I get interesting information about that photo. I get the image of the photo, I get the title, description, date, and I get the location. This is the location that we have extracted from a combination of the title and description. The accuracy level, in this case geometric center, indicates how accurate the retrieved location entities was, and therefore how accurate the retrieved geolocation coordinate was. So you can click on any red marker to see information about that photo. It's a great way to see where Ansel Adams traveled and where he took his photos. Next, when I click on timeline, I get the timeline that we developed. As you can see, it is a horizontally scrollable list organized on the basis of the year. So let's say I want to see a photo which was taken in 1919 by Ansel Adams. Let's say I click on this photo. It will display that particular photo along with the other information that I had extracted, like the date, title, and the photo itself. Similarly, you can click on any other photo of any year you want, and therefore easily visualize his journey through the years. On behalf of my project partner and myself, we thank you for watching this video.